The changing face of warfare, a new era of technology. Warfare, as old as humanity itself, is undergoing a profound transformation. Throughout history, the tools of war have constantly evolved, from the bronze swords of antiquity to the gunpowder revolution that ushered in a new age of conflict. Today, we stand on the precipice of another such revolution, driven by the relentless pace of technological advancement. This is not merely an evolution of weaponry, but a fundamental shift in the very nature of warfare. Military research and development, or R&D, is the engine driving this revolution. Scientists, engineers, and military strategists are working tirelessly to develop and refine technologies that will define the future of warfare. These advancements are not limited to the traditional domains of land, sea, and air. They are blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds, creating a new battle space where information is as valuable as ammunition. The implications of this technological revolution are far-reaching. It is reshaping military strategies, altering the balance of power on the global stage, and raising profound ethical questions about the nature of conflict in the 21st century. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's rapidly becoming a battlefield reality. From autonomous drones to sophisticated algorithms that can analyze vast amounts of data, AI is poised to revolutionize the way wars are fought. Imagine a battlefield where AI systems can process information from multiple sources: satellites, drones, ground sensors in real time, and present commanders with actionable intelligence.
One of the most significant impacts of AI in warfare is its potential to reduce human casualties. AI-powered systems can perform dangerous tasks, such as reconnaissance in hostile territory or disarming explosives, minimizing the risk to human soldiers. Moreover, AI can enhance the decision-making process by providing commanders with a more complete and accurate picture of the battlefield.
However, the rise of AI in warfare also raises significant ethical concerns. One of the most pressing issues is the question of autonomous weapon systems, often referred to as killer robots. These systems would be able to select and engage targets without human intervention, raising concerns about accountability and the potential for unintended consequences. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have become synonymous with modern warfare. These remotely piloted aircraft, equipped with sophisticated cameras, sensors, and weapon systems, have fundamentally changed the dynamics of conflict. Drones offer several advantages over traditional manned aircraft, including lower costs, reduced risk to human pilots, and the ability to loiter over battlefields for extended periods.
The use of drones in warfare is not without controversy. The remote nature of drone warfare has raised concerns about the psychological impact on drone operators, who are often thousands of miles removed from the battlefield. Additionally, the precision strikes that drones are capable of can sometimes result in civilian casualties, raising ethical and legal questions.
Despite these concerns, the use of drones in warfare is likely to increase in the coming years. The battlefield of the future will not only be dominated by machines in the air, but also on the ground and at sea. Autonomous vehicles, both manned and unmanned, are poised to play an increasingly important role in military operations. Imagine convoys of self-driving supply trucks delivering critical supplies to troops on the front lines, reducing the risk of casualties from ambushes or roadside bombs.
Unmanned ground vehicles, or UGVs, are already being used for a variety of tasks, including bomb disposal, reconnaissance, and even direct combat. These UGVs can be equipped with a range of sensors, weapons, and communication systems, allowing them to operate independently or as part of a larger networked force. Similarly, unmanned surface vessels, USVs, and unmanned underwater vehicles, UUVs, are transforming naval warfare.
The development of autonomous vehicles for military applications raises similar ethical and legal questions as those surrounding autonomous weapons systems. Section 5. The digital battlefield, cyber warfare, and information dominance. Warfare is no longer confined to the physical battlefield. In the 21st century, the digital realm has become a critical battleground, where nations and non-state actors alike engage in cyber warfare to gain a strategic advantage.
Cyber warfare encompasses a wide range of activities, from stealing sensitive information and disrupting critical infrastructure to spreading propaganda and sowing discord among enemy populations. The interconnected nature of modern society makes us increasingly vulnerable to cyber attacks.
Section 6. Beyond the bullet-directed energy weapons and the future of force. The future of warfare may be characterized not by bullets and bombs, but by beams of energy.
Directed energy weapons, such as lasers and high-powered microwaves, offer the potential for precision strikes at the speed of light. Lasers, for instance, can be used to shoot down drones, disable vehicles, or even target enemy personnel with pinpoint accuracy.
High-powered microwaves, on the other hand, can disrupt electronic systems, effectively disabling enemy communications, radar, and other critical technologies. DEWs offer several advantages over conventional weapons, including speed, precision, and a virtually inexhaustible magazine as long as there is a power source.
They also have the potential to reduce the reliance on expensive and logistically challenging ammunition.
Section 7. Hypersonic Weapons. Breaking the sound barrier, breaking the mold. Hypersonic weapons, traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, 5 times the speed of sound, are one of the most disruptive technological advancements in modern warfare.
These weapons, including hypersonic glide vehicles and hypersonic cruise missiles, can cover vast distances in a short amount of time, making them incredibly difficult to detect and intercept using existing air defense systems.
The speed and maneuverability of hypersonic weapons make them ideal for striking high-value targets, such as command centers, air defense systems, and critical infrastructure.
The development and deployment of hypersonic weapons have sparked a new arms race among nations seeking a strategic edge.
Bio-enhancement, super soldiers, and the ethics of human augmentation. The desire to create better soldiers is as old as warfare itself. However, advancements in biotechnology are opening up radical new possibilities for enhancing human capabilities on the battlefield. Bio-enhancement technologies, ranging from genetic engineering to advanced prosthetics, have the potential to create super soldiers with enhanced strength, endurance, senses, and even cognitive abilities.
Imagine soldiers with genetically enhanced reflexes, night vision capabilities, or the ability to resist fatigue and disease. While such enhancements might seem like science fiction, they are rapidly becoming scientific possibilities. However, the prospect of bioenhancement in warfare raises profound ethical and societal questions.
The moral compass of warfare ethical considerations in a high-tech world. As technology continues to reshape the landscape of warfare, it is more crucial than ever to engage in a thoughtful and informed discussion about the ethical implications of these advancements. The use of artificial intelligence, autonomous weapon systems, cyber warfare, and bioenhancement technologies raises profound moral and ethical questions that demand careful consideration.
One of the most pressing ethical concerns is the potential for these technologies to erode human judgment and accountability in warfare. As machines become more sophisticated and autonomous, it becomes increasingly important to establish clear lines of responsibility for their actions. We must also consider the potential psychological impact of these technologies on both soldiers and civilians.
The global impact, shifting power dynamics, and the future of conflict. The rapid pace of technological advancement in warfare is reshaping the global balance of power and influencing the nature of conflict itself. Nations that are able to effectively develop, acquire, and integrate these new technologies into their military doctrines will gain a significant advantage on the future battlefield. This has led to a renewed arms race, with major powers investing heavily in research and development to maintain their technological edge.
However, the proliferation of these technologies also poses challenges to global security. The spread of advanced weapon systems to non-state actors, such as terrorist organizations, could destabilize entire regions and increase the risk of catastrophic attacks. Additionally, the increasing reliance on technology in warfare raises concerns about the vulnerability of critical infrastructure, such as power grids, communication networks, and financial systems. The future of warfare will be characterized by a complex interplay of technology, strategy, and human factors.
Preparing for the unknown, navigating the future of warfare. The future of warfare is uncertain, but one thing is clear. Technology will continue to play a defining role. To navigate this complex and rapidly evolving landscape, we must embrace a forward-looking approach that anticipates challenges and seizes opportunities. This includes investing in research and development, fostering international cooperation, and engaging in ongoing dialogue about the ethical implications of these transformative technologies.
Military institutions around the world must adapt their doctrines, training, and force structures to keep pace with technological advancements. This includes recruiting and training a new generation of tech-savvy soldiers, sailors, airmen, and Marines who are comfortable operating in a technology-driven battlespace. Equally important is the need for robust ethical frameworks and international norms to guide the development and use of these technologies.